Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Before we begin, I want to thank all y'all for the lovely birthday wishes. I had a wonderful time last weekend. I turned the big 3-5. I'm getting old, but I'm still a baby. But anyway, thank you again, my friends. Well, it is Memorial Day, it's summertime, and it is the start of cookout season. And what's the number one side dish that is a must-have at every cookout? Yep, baked beans. So today I'm going to share with y'all another baked bean recipe. And I've done a couple of baked bean recipes here on my channel. I did a barbecue baked beans with meat and soulful baked beans also with meat. I'll post a link to those recipes down in the description box below. This recipe, we're going to make southern baked beans, and this recipe only calls for bacon. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and it will be a hit at your barbecue cookout. This will run out in seconds, so I recommend making a double batch. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, lemon ricotta pancakes. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pork and beans, your bacon, and your brown sugar, because we're about to bake some baked beans magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our bacon. On my cutting board, I have 4 strips of bacon. I'm using pork, or you can use turkey, and we're going to cut them to about 1/2 inch medium pieces. Alright, my friends, I am through cutting my bacon. Now we're going to set this aside. Let's work on our onion. On another cutting board, I have a small to medium sized yellow onion, or you can use a white onion. We're going to dice it up. Alright, my friends, our onion is nice and diced. We are ready to fry the bacon. Let's head over to the stove. On my stove top, I have my cast iron skillet, or you can use a regular skillet, and it's cold. We're going to add in our bacon. If using turkey bacon, add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I'm going to cut my fire on to medium-high heat. Give it a quick stir. We're going to let the bacon fry for about 6 minutes. My friends, I smell bacon. Oh, I'm in heaven. Nothing like the smell of bacon frying. Alrighty, so now it's time to add in our diced onions. Give it a stir until it's well blended. So now we're going to let it continue to fry until the onions are translucent, about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, our onions are nice and translucent. And it smells so good. So now I'm going to cut my fire off, and we are ready to assemble our beans. I have a large bowl right here. We're going to add in our cooked onions and bacon. Alright, into our onions and bacon, we're going to add in 2 15-ounce cans of pork and beans along with the sauce. And this is a must-have in baked beans, if I do say so myself. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of molasses. Next, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of packed light brown sugar. Got to make it sweet. 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And last, but certainly not least, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Please don't skip this step. It's going to give our beans a nice little bite. Going to stir these together until they're well incorporated. My friends, how simple and easy was that? Just that quickly, our beans are done. Now we are ready to pour them into our pan. We're going to pour it in an ungreased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Spread it evenly. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 325 degrees. We're going to let them bake uncovered for 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern baked beans. Doesn't that look good? And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I'm just going to taste them straight out of the pan, but it is still hot, so I got to be careful so I won't burn my mouth. Look at that. Please have a bite. Sweet, tangy. The beans are perfectly cooked, and I love that hint of smokiness from the bacon. These beans are super flavorful and phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Southern baked beans, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Memorial Day.